Beautiful. And it's sad that people get them and don't know what they're doing with them, and then you have to rescue them.
Yeah.
So her front left, as you probably can see, her two outside talons are like.
Is that what they eat?
Still young, so he's still growing. He'll get about 6 feet tall. Right now he's about 4
He's a jumpy thing. It's a little pokey.
So he's still growing. Now, right now, he's very chill. That's because they're crepuscular, so that means they're active during dusk and dawn. During midday is where they nap the whole time. So he's just napping.
Healthier, less foot problems. Do you have foot problems out there? Good. Good. No, that's healthy. You can see. Oh, I do. They're fun.
In May.
So that's coming up.
Yeah. They're fun.
Well,
I have a lot of friends with sheep.
really?
I live out there.
Oh, perfect. Well, it's
Is she all grown up?
She's about 6 months, but she won't get much bigger. She'll get about like this. She's a mini. So